Hi Gemini, I'm Anisha and you can also visit me at www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast on love and relationships. The reason I'm doing this particular video is that it is just not possible to condense everything in a 5 or a 7 month overall generic video that I do. And I'm just trying to break it up into sections. And I'm starting with love and relationships because I think that is the most important part of all our lives. I would love to hear from you and know whether it was of any help to you. So Geminians, this month we have Mercury, that is your ruling planet in any case, who has been giving its entire support to you. And you have been communicating with your closest partnerships on things that could have been bothering you. And there seems to be an issue of a joint resources, whether it is dividing off as to where the budget goes and who gets in the uh, the bigger chunk of the money home, or how is it that the money gets divided. It could also be discussions around that a lot of you have been spending a lot of time at work, and it has been a struggle trying to manage the home and the work piece of it, and it has been causing some amount of not animosity, but people have been upset with you a little bit at home, and you've not been able to spend time, you've just been too stretched. So this month all this is actually going to surface, and it is very nice. I think it's very, very nice that you actually get to speak, clarify and state your stand as to where is it and how is it that you stand, and what is it that you want from this relationship, and what is it that you bring to this relationship. It is very critical. For a lot of you also, you are going to be handling some amount of not really school trouble with your children, but maybe one of your child is struggling with studies at this point of time and he or she requires some personal help. It's a good time to be sitting and communicating with your child. Try and spend some time understanding as to what is it, and or what is the goals and the dreams of your child. What is it that he or she wants? There could be some amount of a communication gap over there when the child is not able to communicate to you. So do reach out this month. It's a good time. You are socializing a lot, you are networking a lot, building relationships a lot at your workplace as well. And last month, even though it sort of trickled on this discussion with an authority figure that you may have been having. Some of you could have been having this discussion with your at your workplace, and some of you could have been having it with a father figure or with your father. It could be something that you're trying to decide on, whether it requires moving off or location or home. Maybe you're trying to help them move across. So there is uh, a lot of communication that is there. There is also a strong indication of a lovely reunion that is there this month. So you could be connecting with a sibling you haven't gotten together for a long time, or your extended family, or it could be old school friends whom you're connecting, and it's a lovely time. It's a great time. Mid-month we have the Grand Earth Trine, which is 4 planets which are connecting at a 120 degrees. So you have a Mars with a 9 degree to Virgo, you have a Pluto with a 9 degree to Capricorn, and you have a Jupiter and a Venus which are conjuncting in Taurus at a 9 degrees. So it's a 999. It's a magnificent alignment. Also because Venus is going back into its house of Taurus. So all the efforts that get put at this point of time are going to yield tremendous results. So do not take this energy very lightly. Make good use of it. Try and initiate something new that you have been wanting to for a long time. It doesn't really have to have a lot of funds or finances, but if it's a if it's something creative that you've been thinking about but you've not gotten down to putting it on paper, start doing a lot of research work on it. It's a great time. End of the month, it's a great time to be spending time with the family. Maybe if you can take some time off, a weekend away, it will do all of you good. So have a good month. I'll see you in April, and do let me know whether this information was of any help to you. Thank you for watching.